The installation of 3M AP Easy Complete Water Filtration System is simple. Before you begin, pick your desired spot and make sure that you have all the accessories. Determine the installation spot and wipe the wall clean. Stick the hook onto the wall and install the filter head. To install the diverter, remove the aerator from the faucet. If your faucet has outer threads, install the diverter directly. If it has inner threads, use the adapter provided before installing the diverter. Connect the diverter and the filter head with the tubes. After checking, install the cartridge to enjoy clean and clear drinking water. 3M AP Easy Complete Water Filtration System DIY set.